media's liberal bias has been a pernicious problem, and we know for decades. But for a long time, there was at least a veneer of objectivity in some reporters, but no more.
You're gonna get your. What about your man?
Because for 8 years, it was as though the Washington Press Corps became People magazine.
You got a man.
It's one of his brief shining moments with his jacket off.
It says order Mel's Diner with Grubhub.
Oh yeah.
Rub stuff.
We have Grubhub.
Yeah, you know how to use it.
Huh? I don't know how to do it though. Okay, they have
You know he uses that as a tool, and he just dropped it because I pointed at him.
They got biscuits and gravy. They got country Benedict Mills platter, 2 eggs. Okay, let's see, egg one of those. Grilled pork chops, 2 eggs, potatoes, and grits. That's just freaking cheap. It's $4.39 for grilled pork chops with 2 eggs and potatoes.
No way.
This is right here.
No place is gonna make a living doing that.
Okay, I'm lying.
You can't get a TV dinner for that.
Okay, look, I'm lying.
Kevin.
Look, read the couple of those right here. Look.
He uses that as a tool to help himself bite the hole in the leg.
Grilled where my thumb is, grilled pork chops with 2 eggs.
That I don't believe it. Well, order me 3 of them.
Are you eating ass, Wally, baby?
Grilled pork chops, so it's like one. Hang on, wait.
That's if you build a meal. Still, you can't get pork chops that cheap.
Alright, I guess you're right.
Get it, bird.
Never will hold them accountable. Even if they take office, it's going to be like it was with Obama. And that means you will have a White House that is completely unchecked by any press. Except fake polls, fake news, personal attacks on Biden's critics. That will abound. All will be common practice.
That's the newest place for fucking getting breakfast shit then.
Hunter could
That
be showing
cheap.
the Jefferson Memorial from the Oval Office, and they would never even report it. No news there. Now, this whole situation is bad for America. We're drowning in a sea of lies right now, and if the media takes control of the White House, it will become almost impossible to know what's actually happening in D.C. They put the problem to shame, as I said earlier, the implicit promise of Biden's campaign.
I think that's good shit.
It's a return to calm. Things will be a lot calmer. But is it going to be
Onion rings are $2.49.
normal in any way to have a press corps that will not ask
All right, bird.
presidential candidate? And then
Good job.
In fact,
They have a hot meatloaf sandwiches open face with meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and gravy.
They're gonna be closed by the time you get
It's
done.
all close at 2.
when the press is fighting you,
Not for COVID.
Yeah, hot meatloaf, hot hamburger, hot roast turkey. That's
I'm
probably what that
gonna
was.
get 2 meals then.
That's probably what that was hot roasted turkey.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Yeah. Hot roast beef, hot roast pork. I think I'm gonna get the hot roast pork. Let's see.
teach the media a lesson that they will never forget. The press, of course,
Man, their prices are fucking cheap.
the election is over. But we already know that they're not interested in the truth. So let's all vote. Let's tell our neighbors to vote. Let's tell everyone at church to vote. Wherever you live.
Go get it, bird.
And let's do everything we can to save our country from the oligarchy that our media will end up infiltrating. And that's the answer. Joining me now is Laura Logan, host of Fox Nation's Laura Logan and David Marcus.
Good for like $6.69. You get like a roast turkey. You get served with homemade soup, vegetables, and bread, and butter. Also, choice of coleslaw, dinner salad, or choice of grilled mashed potatoes or gravy, or natural cut French fries. So they have roasted loin pork, roasted real roast turkey. Those are $6.99 a meal. Each one. The grilled ham, country fried steak, deep fried shrimp plate, sauteed flounder, fried chicken dinner, chicken breast, chops sirloin steak, cinder cut pork chop.